Hello, and thank you so much for joining me today for another exciting episode of unboxing. This is Maxi Limit. Today we got a new device in the studio, and obviously we are going to be doing unboxing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support. If you have not yet subscribed, just go and do so. Click on the subscribe button down below, and if in any case you enjoy this video, don't forget to click the like button and maybe give me a comment down below. Alright, last week we did an unboxing of a gaming PC that was the Asus. And then I said that was not a good PC for me. If you want to see the full video about that unboxing, I will link the video somewhere in the card here or probably there. But either way, it's gonna be either on this side, okay? Go and check it out. But today we got something better, something that fit my needs. And without further ado, let's crack it open. All right, let's see. So again, this is a very big box. You can barely see my face anymore, but that's not the point. Our focus should be on the box. Okay, this is gonna be a Asus G15DK R7. Okay, I'm just reading this through on the box here, and then I guess it's going to have a 16 gig of RAM, I guess, and 512 gigabyte of storage. And then the graphic card is RTX 3070. Compared to the last one, it was the RTS GeForce 1660 Super, and it did not really capture whatever I want to do it. Okay, but this time we got a better graphic card, and I hope that this time everything will be amazing. All right, let's not waste too much time. Let's unbox it. But before we can unbox it, let's just turn around and see how the box looks like. But for sure, the box is very, very big. So on this side, basically, we have some information about the device. And like I just said right now, we have the AMD Ryzen 5800X. We have a VGA and a storage. Oh, actually, yeah, we do have two types of storage. We have the 3.5 inch 2 terabyte, and then 512 gigabyte of the storage. That is amazing. Okay, and the memory, like I said, we have a DDR4 3200 16 gig. I don't know why they don't increase this to 32 gigabyte. Okay, but that's what we got. We're gonna see how things are, and as you can see, the big logo, the big sign of the Asus there, and here nothing actually, and on this side also nothing. And I'm so excited. I'm sure that this is gonna be a very powerful PC, because what I pay for it is insane. I'll let you know how much I pay for it during the video. Okay, let's do it. I know this is a very big knife. If any kids watching this video, make sure you don't play with knives, okay? This is only for the unboxing purposes, okay? All right, I'm gonna cut this here, and I'm gonna cut here and probably on top of it. And now this is very, very big. It's very, very big here. So I'm gonna cut this actually here. There we go. So I'm putting the knife on the side, and then we're gonna try to open it. Okay, now the box is open, and then we are gonna go through and see whatever we have inside of the box. Okay, as I said, this is a very, very huge box. Okay, so first thing first, inside of the box we do have this another box inside of the box. Let's put that on the side, and as you can see inside, we do have anything else, just this. Let's remove this. I'm by myself, so it's not difficult for me to remove this. Okay, let's put that on the side as well. Inside we have another one. I guess this is the keyboard. Let's put that on the side again for the moment. And I think that is pretty much it. And we kind of have we have a handle, so I'm gonna pull it using the handle. And it's a silver. Oh, this is heavy. All right, let's put that on the table, and that's it. There's nothing else inside of the box. So all right, everything is out, and then we are gonna go through it. So this is the desktop itself, or should I say the gaming PC itself. We're gonna keep that on the side for the moment. And like I was saying there, we have two different type of boxes. I'm sure this is the keyboard, so we can start from that one. Let's see what kind of keyboard we have inside here. And it's a regular type of keyboard. Don't know if you can see it. So nothing too fancy here. So let's put this also on the side and continue. But what is most interesting for me is what do we have inside of this box. It looks like something special or interesting must be in this box. Okay, let's try to open it up. Oh, we only have like a power cable and a mouse. Wow, that is so disappointing, just to have two things in that beautiful box. Anyway, let's also put that on the side and continue. And then the moment that we are all been waiting for, we do need to open the desktop. All right, let's go. I'm so excited. There's a plastic wrap underneath. Let's go. I was thinking of doing a live unboxing one of these days. Oh, I have a surprise. I thought it was money, but it's not. Just a paper. All right. Gaming or work PC. It is amazing. All right, let's turn this way. Okay, it is heavy. All right, as you can see on this side, we have absolutely nothing except from a few information that we have here. It says the same thing that we just read, the type of CPU that is inside, type of RAM, the type of graphic card, and the type of hard drive, and then the connection. Okay, and at the back we do have the power adapter is way at the bottom here, and we have some kind of fan, I guess, to remove the heat, if there's any heat at all. But and as you can see, we have again, like before, some plug. I don't know, I'm sure that you can see it. Yeah, I think you can, I'm sure you can see. Let me zoom a little bit. All right, so I just zoom a little bit for you. All right, so again, like I was saying, we have this is a connector for the mouse and the keyboard. I don't know if anybody ever use this anymore, because nowadays keyboard and mouse comes with a USB connector, so maybe. So we have two USB port, a DVA, a DVI, HDMI port, and then we have another set of two USB port, another two USB ports. So we have in total 2, 4, and 6 at the back as a USB port. Okay, we have the RJ45 for the internet connection, and the audio and microphones, so and so forth. And at the bottom we do have the G4 RTX 3070. This is the beast. Okay, So now, as you can see, I don't know, as you can see here, we have one display port, two display port, three display port, one HDMI and two HDMI. So in total we have 1, 2, 3 display port and two HDMI. Interesting. And then we have the power the power supply at the bottom. Okay, and on top of the PC, let me see. Yeah, on top of it, as you can see, we have another USB port and a microphone and a headphone and a USB Type-C connector right there. Okay, when we turn it, that's where the fun things happen. As you can see, we have a glass panel, and I believe we have some RGB light, my favorite. Okay, and this is insane. Very, very beautiful. This is amazing, very amazing. Okay, so from here there's absolutely nothing to say really, because I did not get in, but I can see the GPU is taking most of the space. Like, is huge, is massive. Okay, let me actually bring that again closer for you to see. It is simply massive. See that? It's big, absolutely big. And we have the processor here with the heatsink there, which is good. And that is pretty much it. You know what? I'm also gonna open this so we can actually have a good look inside of this. But yeah, it is amazing. It is just phenomenal. Alright, so I will open this up for you so we can look in details and see what we have inside. Okay, so there were two screws here that I already removed prior to the video, so I'm gonna open that for you. And like I said, this is a glass panel. You can see me, you can see through, right? So I'm gonna put that on the side, and then there you go. This is just amazing, like amazing. Let me remove the camera and bring it closer for you. And as you can see, we have all the component. Okay, like I said, this is where the CPU is, and we have, funny enough, only one memory, like the RAM. Which is 16 gig. Only one single one is 16 gig, and we have 4 slots available. So I'm assuming we could upgrade this ourselves to 32 gig if we want. Okay, and we have the Asus GeForce RTX 3070 here, and we have the power supply at the bottom here. I don't know why that is so big. Maybe there's stuff that they hide behind it, because I'm not seeing the hard drive. It's probably down there. I know I see the SSD, which is right there, the one that has the 512 gigabyte, but there is another one with 2 terabyte, and that is an HDD, which is somewhere I guess here. Okay, I don't want to open that up. I'm just gonna leave it that way for the moment. But if you want me to tear this PC down, let me know in the comment down below. I can do that for you. Okay, and there's nothing else to do here. Okay, I have my old PC opened. I will show you what it looks like. Okay, I will not unplug it. I will just bring the camera over there and then show it to you. Okay, so here we go. I'm sorry, it's a little bit dark, but this is my old PC. I got it 4 years ago, and like I was saying on my previous video, this is red. The color is red. It does not change. It does not change at all. And then this one has a water cooling, as you can see in there, and we have the GeForce GTX. This is a 1080, and we have the hard disk, and this also have a 512 gigabyte and a 3 terabyte hard disk. And what I like about this is very quiet, and then we have the water cooling here. Okay, this also have a lot of USB port, and we actually have two USB Type-C on top there. Actually, if you want to see the full review of this video, I will link it on top of the card or below in the description. And this has, as you can see, has a 4 memory slot, which is 32 GB. It came with it. I didn't upgrade it. It was just like this. This is amazing. So alright, that is pretty much all for this unboxing. But now I will actually turn on the PC for the first time. I just want to see how the RGB color light will be. I will do another video for the setting up of this PC, but for right now I just want to see how the light and if there's actually any light inside of the PC. Okay, all right, 3, 2, 1, power. Oh, this is insane. Again, to enjoy this power and enjoy this light, we didn't need to turn on my my studio light off. Okay, let's see. I am sure that you are enjoying this as much as I am enjoying it. Okay, this is not a setup yet. This is just the first power turn on. We just want to see how this is, and as you can see, we have a couple of beautiful lights in there changing color. Okay, this is amazing. Even the GPU itself is on. We have a kind of a cool color there, and let me see the front of it. Yes, of course, we do have this beautiful light here. It's amazing. I'm sure that if we go deeper into the settings, we should be able to see more good stuff. Okay, and that's it. This will wrap up our unboxing for today. All right, thank you everyone for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, don't forget to like, and most importantly, subscribe and put a comment down below. You can ask me about any device that you want me to unbox for you, okay, and then I will do that for you. But for the meantime, today was a quick unboxing of the brand new Asus PC that I have, and that's pretty much it. In my next video, we are gonna I'm gonna set this up, and we are gonna go and set it up properly, install whatever we need to install, and then from there we can go and play some games and see how this will perform. I'm so excited about the GeForce 3070. Until then, see you later. Bye bye.